The Mini Cooper E is proving that a small car can deliver big when it comes to safety. The latest electric version has earned a 5-star rating from the Euro NCAP, reinforcing Mini's commitment to making every generation safer than the last. Since its relaunch in 2001, Mini has steadily improved its safety standards, and the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. This compact electric car is equipped with an advanced suite of safety features designed to protect both occupants and pedestrians. It scored 89% for adult protection, 85% for child protection, 77% for pedestrian safety, and 79% for safety assist systems. That means it does not just keep drivers and passengers safe, but also looks out for those around it. With autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring, the Mini Cooper E is packed with smart technology that helps prevent accidents before they happen. One of the standout aspects of this model is how it has evolved from its predecessors. The first modern Mini received a 4-star rating for adult occupant safety, but with every new release, the brand has pushed its safety technology forward. Now, the 2025 Mini Cooper E combines fun driving dynamics with serious protection, making it an ideal choice for city drivers who want peace of mind without sacrificing style. If you are looking for a small electric car that does not compromise on safety, the Mini Cooper E is a solid option. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest automotive updates.